The night sky, a vast and star-studded canvas, often holds breathtaking surprises. One of the most awe-inspiring spectacles is the Aurora Borealis, also known as the Northern Lights. This celestial ballet, visible across the northernmost reaches of our planet, has captivated humankind for centuries. The Aurora Borealis occurs when charged particles from the sun interact with Earth's magnetic field. It's a reminder that we exist within a dynamic and interconnected cosmic system. The colors of the Aurora Borealis, ranging from vibrant greens to ethereal purples, result from different atmospheric gases interacting with charged particles from the sun. The most common color observed is a brilliant green, created when solar particles collide with oxygen at lower altitudes. Higher up, these same oxygen molecules produce a deep red hue. Nitrogen contributes to the spectacle with blue or purple light. The intensity and speed of the solar wind play a crucial role in the vibrancy and movement of the aurora. While often referred to as the Northern Lights, this celestial spectacle isn't confined to the Northern Hemisphere. The Southern Hemisphere boasts its own version, known as the Aurora Australis, or the Southern Lights. Both auroras occur in oval-shaped zones surrounding Earth's magnetic poles, known as the auroral ovals. These rings of light come alive at night, offering a glimpse into the invisible forces that shape our planet. Even those living far from the polar regions may witness this awe-inspiring phenomenon during intense solar storms. The story of the Aurora Borealis begins with our very own star, the Sun. The Sun releases bursts of energy and charged particles in a phenomenon known as solar wind. Sometimes the Sun releases a sudden, intense burst of energy and particles known as a coronal mass ejection, or CME. These solar storms can disrupt satellites and power grids, but also create the most spectacular aurora displays. When a CME reaches Earth, it paints our skies with vibrant colors and ethereal movements. Fortunately, Earth is not defenseless against the Sun's energetic outbursts. Our planet is enveloped by a protective magnetic field that shields us from the full brunt of the solar wind and CMEs. This magnetic field acts like a giant shield, deflecting most of the charged particles away from our planet. However, some particles penetrate this shield, especially during high solar activity. It's during these times that the Aurora Borealis puts on its most spectacular shows. When charged particles from the sun funnel down towards the poles, they collide with atoms and molecules in our atmosphere. These collisions excite the atmospheric gases, causing them to release energy in the form of light. The colors and patterns of the aurora are determined by the types of atmospheric gases involved and their altitude. The most common color, a vibrant green, is produced by oxygen molecules at lower altitudes. This cosmic interplay creates a breathtaking spectacle of light and color. The altitude at which charged particles collide with our atmosphere plays a crucial role in determining the colors we see in the aurora. Different atmospheric gases are concentrated at different altitudes, each emitting a specific color when excited. The most common auroral color, green, occurs when charged particles collide with oxygen molecules at around 100 kilometers. Higher up, oxygen emits a rarer red hue, while nitrogen can create blue or purple displays. These colors are typically observed at higher altitudes, where nitrogen is more concentrated. The science behind the colors of the Aurora Borealis lies in the interaction between energy and matter. When a charged particle from the sun collides with an atom or molecule in our atmosphere, it transfers energy, causing the atom or molecule to become excited. This excited state is unstable. and the electron quickly returns to its original state, releasing energy as light. The color of the light emitted depends on the energy difference between the excited state and the ground state. Oxygen emits green light, while nitrogen emits blue or purple light. Witnessing the Aurora Borealis is a dream for many, drawing travelers to the far reaches of our planet. This celestial ballet of light is best viewed in high-latitude regions close to Earth's magnetic poles. Countries like Canada, Alaska, Iceland, Norway, Sweden, and Finland offer prime viewing locations. The best places to see the aurora are often far from city lights, where light pollution doesn't obscure the display. It's a journey that takes you into the heart of nature's grand theater. The auroral oval, a ring-shaped region encircling Earth's magnetic poles, marks the zone where auroras are most likely to be seen. This oval expands and contracts in response to solar activity, sometimes reaching lower latitudes during intense geomagnetic storms. The auroral oval is most active during the night hours when Earth is plunged into darkness. During powerful CMEs, the auroral oval can expand dramatically, bringing the northern lights to lower latitudes. The aurora puts on a special show during the spring and fall equinoxes, captivating a wider audience. The Aurora Borealis is always present, but it's only visible to us when darkness falls. The long, dark nights of winter offer the best viewing opportunities. The best time to see the aurora is often between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. local time. Patience is key when chasing the northern lights, as is a willingness to brave the cold and embrace the darkness. Consider joining a guided aurora tour to increase your chances of witnessing this celestial spectacle. Predicting the Aurora Borealis is both a science and an art. Scientists use a variety of tools and techniques to monitor solar activity and forecast the likelihood of auroral displays. Space weather websites and apps provide real-time updates on solar wind speed, density, and the likelihood of geomagnetic storms, all of which influence auroral activity. Imagine a team of scientists huddled around computer screens, tracking the sun's every move, analyzing data from satellites and ground-based observatories. They are the aurora forecasters, using their knowledge of space weather to predict when and where the northern lights might appear. One key indicator of auroral activity is the KP index, a measure of geomagnetic activity. The KP index ranges from 0 to 9, with higher numbers indicating stronger geomagnetic storms and a greater likelihood of auroral displays. A KP index of 5 or higher often signals a good chance of seeing the aurora at lower latitudes. While scientific forecasts provide valuable guidance, predicting the aurora with absolute certainty is impossible. The aurora is a fickle phenomenon, influenced by a complex interplay of factors. Sometimes, despite favorable forecasts, the aurora remains hidden behind clouds or chooses to dance silently in the sky, visible only to those lucky enough to be in the right place at the right time. Chasing the Aurora Borealis is an exercise in patience and perseverance. It's a reminder that some of nature's greatest spectacles are not always on display, but rather they reveal themselves to those willing to wait and watch. The aurora is not a guaranteed show. It's a gift, a fleeting moment of celestial beauty that unfolds on its own terms. Imagine yourself standing on a frozen lake in the heart of the Arctic night, the air still and silent, your breath forming clouds in the frigid air. You've been waiting for hours, scanning the sky, hoping for a glimpse of the elusive aurora. Just when your patience begins to wear thin, a faint glow appears on the horizon. Slowly it intensifies, transforming into a vibrant green arc, stretching across the sky like a celestial bridge. Then, as if by magic, the arc begins to dance, twisting and turning, forming shimmering curtains of light that ripple and wave in the night sky. You stand there, mesmerized, as the aurora puts on its silent show, a symphony of light and color that takes your breath away. In that moment, you realize that the true reward of chasing the aurora is not just witnessing the spectacle itself, but also the journey. the anticipation and the sense of awe and wonder that comes from experiencing nature's raw beauty firsthand. For millennia, the Aurora Borealis has captivated the human imagination, inspiring awe and wonder. Cultures across the Northern Hemisphere have woven stories around this celestial spectacle, seeking to explain its ethereal beauty. These tales offer a glimpse into the deep connection between humanity and the cosmos. Imagine sitting around a crackling fire, the Aurora Borealis dancing across the sky. Elders share stories of the Northern Lights, tales woven into their culture. They speak of celestial foxes igniting the sky with vibrant hues, or recount legends of Valkyries, their armor reflecting the aurora's glow. The Aurora Borealis is more than just a natural phenomenon. It's a living entity. In many cultures, the Aurora Borealis was seen as a manifestation of the divine, a bridge between the earthly realm and the celestial sphere. The Vikings associated the aurora with Bifrost, a burning rainbow bridge connecting Midgard to Asgard. They believed the aurora was a reflection of this celestial bridge. Imagine a Viking longship sailing through the icy waters of the North Atlantic. As the Aurora Borealis ignites the sky, the Vikings see a sign from the gods. They interpret the lights as messages from Odin or the Valkyries. The Finnish legend says the aurora is caused by a fiery fox running across the Arctic. This mythical creature, known as Revontule, ignites the snow and illuminates the sky. The swirling patterns of the aurora resemble a fox's tail sweeping across the sky. While many cultures viewed the Aurora Borealis with awe and reverence, some also associated it with fear and foreboding. The sudden appearance of red auroras was often interpreted as a sign of impending doom. Imagine a medieval village in Europe, the night sky suddenly ablaze with crimson hues. The villagers, their faces illuminated by the eerie light, whisper amongst themselves. For them, the red aurora is not a beautiful spectacle, but a harbinger of misfortune. In some Native American cultures, the aurora was associated with the realm of the dead, its flickering lights believed to be the spirits of the departed dancing in the sky. These tales highlight the profound impact this celestial phenomenon had on the human psyche. The Aurora Borealis has left its mark on the folklore and mythology of numerous cultures, each adding their own unique interpretations and stories. In Chinese mythology, the aurora was associated with dragons, their celestial battles reflected in the shimmering lights. The Vikings believed gods and spirits descended to earth. In Norse mythology, the aurora was the reflections of the Valkyries' armor as they rode across the sky. These diverse interpretations demonstrate the universal appeal of the Aurora Borealis. Despite differences, humans across the globe looked upon this celestial spectacle with wonder and awe. While scientific understanding has demystified some aspects of the Aurora Borealis, its ability to inspire awe and wonder remains undiminished. Today, we understand the science behind the dancing lights, the interplay of solar wind, Earth's magnetic field, and atmospheric gases. Imagine standing beneath a sky ablaze with the Aurora Borealis, its vibrant hues of green, pink, and purple dancing and shimmering across the celestial canvas. Yet as you gaze upon the swirling lights, you can't help but feel a sense of wonder, a connection to something far greater than yourself. Today, the Aurora Borealis continues to draw travelers from all over the world, seeking to witness its ethereal beauty firsthand. And in those moments when the sky erupts in a symphony of color and light, we are reminded of the awe-inspiring power of nature and the enduring mystery of the cosmos. The Aurora Borealis, a celestial ballet of light and color, has captivated humankind for centuries. Its ethereal beauty inspires awe and wonder across cultures and generations. Even as we unravel its scientific principles, the aurora retains its magical aura. Imagine standing on a snow-covered mountaintop, the air crisp and cold. You look up and there it is, a shimmering curtain of green and purple light. All thoughts of daily life fade away, replaced by a sense of awe and wonder. A cosmic dance of light and energy, a reminder of the vastness and beauty of the universe. The allure of the aurora lies in its fleeting, unpredictable nature, urging us to chase the lights. The aurora borealis, throughout history, has served as a celestial mirror, reflecting the beliefs, fears, and aspirations of the cultures that have witnessed its ethereal dance. Ancient civilizations, lacking the tools of modern science, interpreted the aurora through the lens of their own mythology and folklore, weaving tales of gods and monsters, spirits and ancestors. These stories, passed down through generations, reveal a deep connection to the natural world, a sense of wonder and awe in the face of the unknown. Imagine yourself transported back in time, standing amongst a group of Vikings, their faces illuminated by the flickering flames of a bonfire, their eyes fixed on the sky above. As the aurora borealis shimmers and dances, they share tales of Bifrost, the burning rainbow bridge that connects Midgard, the realm of mortals, to Asgard, the home of the gods. For them, the aurora is not merely a natural phenomenon, but a celestial pathway, a glimpse into the realm of the divine. In the stories and legends surrounding the aurora, we catch a glimpse of our own humanity, our shared desire to find meaning and purpose in the world around us. The aurora, with its unpredictable nature and ethereal beauty, becomes a canvas upon which we project our hopes and fears, our beliefs and values. It is a reminder that we are all connected not only to each other, but to something far greater than ourselves. A cosmic tapestry woven from threads of light and energy, stretching across time and space. As our scientific understanding of the aurora borealis has grown, so too has our appreciation for its role in the delicate balance of our planet's systems. The aurora is a visible reminder of the constant interplay between the Earth and the Sun, a celestial dance of energy and magnetism that protects us from the harsh realities of space. It is a shield, a guardian, a testament to the interconnectedness of our universe. Imagine Earth as a small boat sailing through the vast cosmic ocean. The Sun, our life-giving star, is also a source of intense radiation and charged particles that could strip away our atmosphere and make life on Earth impossible. But our planet is not defenseless. It is protected by a magnetic field, an invisible shield that deflects most of the Sun's harmful energy. The aurora borealis, those shimmering curtains of light, are a visible manifestation of this magnetic shield in action, a reminder that we are not alone in the vastness of space, but rather part of a dynamic and interconnected system. The aurora borealis serves as a constant reminder of the importance of protecting our planet and its delicate balance. As we face the challenges of climate change and environmental degradation, the aurora stands as a beacon of hope, a symbol of resilience and interconnectedness. It reminds us that we are all part of something much larger than ourselves, and that our actions have far-reaching consequences. Just as the Earth's magnetic field protects us from the harsh realities of space, so too must we protect our planet for future generations. The aurora borealis, a mesmerizing spectacle of light and color, is a testament to the interconnectedness of our universe, a cosmic dance that connects us to the Sun, our nearest star, and to the vast expanse of space beyond. It is a reminder that we are not isolated beings confined to our planet, but rather part of a grand cosmic ballet, a symphony of energy and matter that has been playing out for billions of years. Imagine yourself shrinking down to the size of an atom, embarking on a journey through the vastness of space. You travel on the solar wind, a stream of charged particles constantly flowing from the Sun, carrying with it the energy that powers our solar system. As you approach Earth, you are guided by the planet's magnetic field lines, funneling down towards the polar regions, where you collide with atoms and molecules in the atmosphere. These collisions release bursts of energy, like tiny sparks of light, creating the shimmering curtains of the aurora borealis. Your journey, though imaginary, illustrates the interconnectedness of our universe. The aurora borealis, a phenomenon that occurs in our atmosphere, is a direct result of events happening millions of kilometers away on the surface of the Sun. It is a tangible reminder that we are all connected, from the smallest atom to the largest galaxy, bound together by the fundamental laws of physics and the intricate dance of energy and matter. The aurora borealis, with its ethereal beauty and unpredictable nature, has the power to inspire not only awe and wonder, but also a sense of introspection and self-discovery. Just as the aurora illuminates the night sky, it can also illuminate our inner world, prompting us to reflect on our place in the grand scheme of things, to seek the light within ourselves, and to live lives filled with purpose and meaning. Imagine yourself standing beneath the dancing lights of the aurora, feeling a sense of peace and tranquility wash over you. The vastness of the sky above, ablaze with color and movement, puts your own life into perspective. You realize that your problems, your worries, your fears are but a tiny speck in the grand scheme of things. You are filled with a sense of gratitude for this moment, for the opportunity to witness such beauty, to be a part of something so much larger than yourself. The Aurora Borealis, with its ephemeral beauty, reminds us that life is precious, that moments of joy and wonder are fleeting, and that we should cherish every opportunity to experience the extraordinary. It encourages us to seek out the beauty in the world around us, to find joy in the simple things, and to live lives filled with passion and purpose. Just as the aurora illuminates the night sky, so too can we strive to illuminate the world with our own unique light, to make a difference, to leave the world a better place than we found it.